I wanted to stress the importance of using the little square. So here's the center thing. I put it in, I get measurements where the center of this should be, and I use the square to figure out where that is. Then I bring it out here, drill the holes, and then you need to use the square to make sure you're up and down correctly, and this is setting good. So it's very important. So once I put the first one in, right dead center is where I planned on it, I get it squared off, then I'll do my pilot hole here, and then I'll put the screw in. And then we'll bring the whole piece over there, and we'll put it in, make sure we have our 12-inch down here both ways. Screw that in, then we can screw the others, and then this is the last. This can go in anytime because it's almost 10 inches both sides here, so as long as you get them even, that's good. Looks like we're going to come close to that crack right there, so hopefully we don't hit it, but if we do, we do. So it's going really good. This is the third one, so we'll finish up. But using the square, very important.